Ay, ito pera.
Charles, edible meat. Jeep. Hello, so close. Oh yes, I got it now. Wait! Ala, parehas kami. Papansin mo ka nga. Sino yan? Pork. Ayaw mo na ni Balda Pascal. No. I know you. Babawi ako next question. Name me cold country. Antarctica. Aray ko. Sophie Rain. That's not available. Babawi ako next question. Mas mahaba sa Pokemon. Mas mahaba sa bulbul mo. Ano? Ano yan? United Kingdom? Bro, that's not counted. Hindi malimit.
Second breakfast.
Carbon dioxide, beryllium.
Yes, carbon dioxide.
Oh, you're going to bitch.
No! H2! Lithium! Bro! Bro, Emily! Mamatay mo lang. Ay naman, eh. Wala na ano. Meron talaga. Why didn't you tell me sa'yo?
Nitrogen!
Ito kasi carbon dioxide daw.
Hindi kaya.
Phosphorus. Ayun. Medyo brain ako.
Camper.
Ano yun? Ano kasi yun?
Tent.
Haha, mas mahaba ako. Ano, parehas kami?
Camping chair. Mamamatay na sa ating king.
Mamamatay kayo parehas ni Sophie Rain. What is usually called? What is usually called? It's supposed to be my head. What is usually called? Ano, yung siya. Yung kasi ni Sophie Rain. Dapat ako nandiyan eh. Ay! Yes. Ano ba tong invited? Invited na yan. Hindi na ako mag-invite ng tao. Yes, ano ka ba? Mga lola, abot ako. What can you use to cook? I'm so sorry. Vegetable. Ang liit lang pan. Stove. Oh my god, I'm so like, may music dyan. Ala, gaya-gaya. Beep.
Fight.
Si Sophie Ray nag-leave. Tayong dalawa na lang talaga nandito. Name Red Dead. You got it. Oh! Name a creature.
Answer my.
No. Oh, it's right. It's right. What amazing. Where? Bro. Yes, you got it. I placed that chicken swimming pool. Ang magandang pool. No way, he copied me. I mean, swimming pool, diba? I'm gonna keep my mouth shut na. Name a household chore.
Shut up.
Ano ba ako to? That's fine. Uy,